Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making enchilada quiche. Now this is not only for breakfast, but for dinner as well, and it is dinner time here in Florida, and that's what we're having. This recipe calls for some traditional ingredients, two of which were gifted to Little House of Beans by Peggy Costco Jones. Thanks again, Peggy. We love spices. The recipe will be in the description below. Remember to join the Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, and remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, smooshy the like button for the Little House of Beans. We also have a cookbook available on Amazon called Outdoor Cooking with Edie and available as an ebook. I am hungry, Stu's hungry. Let's make this enchilada quiche.
Let's go Yankees!
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my hole. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space.